The next topic we'll be covering are the various sources from which Azure Monitor collects data. Application code. Azure Monitor's Application Insights offers robust metrics about the performance and functionality of your applications and code. You'll get performance traces, application logs, and even user telemetry. You'll need to install instrumentation package in your application to collect data for application insights. Availability tests. Measure your application's responsiveness from different locations on the public internet. This helps in assessing the reliability and uptime of your services. Metrics. Descriptive data regarding your application's performance, operation, and custom metrics. Logs store operational data about your application, including page views, application requests, exceptions, and traces. You can send application data to Azure Storage for archiving. View the details of availability tests stored. And debug snapshot data that is captured for a subset of exceptions is stored in Azure Storage. Log Analytics Agent is installed for comprehensive monitoring. Dependency Agent collects discovered data about processes running on the virtual machine and external process dependencies. Agents can be installed on the OS for VMs running in Azure on-premises or other cloud providers. Diagnostics Extension collect performance counters and store them in metrics. Application Insights logs collect logs and performance counters from the compute resources supporting your application, allowing them to be analyzed alongside other application data. The Azure Diagnostics extension always writes to an Azure Storage account, while Azure Monitor for VMs uses the Log Analytics agent to store health state information in a custom location. The Diagnostics extension can also stream data to other locations using event hubs. Resource logs provide insights into the internal operation of an Azure resource and are automatically created. However, you must create a diagnostic setting to specify a destination for each resource. Platform metrics will write to the Azure Monitor metrics database with no configuration. You can access platform metrics from Metrics Explorer. For trending and other analyses, use Log Analytics. Copy platform metrics to logs. Send resource logs to Azure Storage for archiving. Stream metrics to other locations using event hubs. Azure subscription. This includes telemetry related to the health and operation of your Azure subscription. Azure Service Health provides information about the health of the Azure services in your subscription that your application and resources rely on. Telemetry related to your Azure tenant is collected from tenant-wide services such as Azure Active Directory. Azure Active Directory reporting contains the history of sign-in activity and audit trail of changes made within a particular tenant. For resources that cannot be monitored using the other data sources, write this data to either metrics or logs using an Azure Monitor API. This will allow you to collect log data from any REST client and store it in Log Analytics in the Azure Monitor metrics database.